with advanced features. Welcome to our walkthrough of the Kia Seltos, the compact SUV that's built to take on every road with confidence. This is Mikael from Mikael's Automotive Tech Talk. Let's dive in. Starting with its bold exterior, the Kia Seltos grabs attention with its modern and sleek design. At the front, the signature StarMac LED headlamps light the way. The grille showcases a mix of black and chrome detailing, giving the Seltos a confident and sporty stance. Let's go to the side. The Seltos rides on stylish 17-inch dark chrome alloy wheels with a striking design. The high ground clearance of 190 millimeters ensures you can handle city streets and occasional rough roads with ease. At the rear, you'll find LED rear combination lamps for a sophisticated look, and the high mounts brake light integrated into the rear spoiler for enhanced safety. The overall dimensions of the Seltos are well suited for urban and suburban environments, offering a perfect balance of size and space. Step inside the Kia Seltos and you're greeted with a modern and comfortable cabin. The driver's seat is all about customization and convenience. For the top-of-the-line SX variant, enjoy a leather upholstered seat with power height adjustment and cooling functions. The three-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel and a full digital instrument cluster enhance the premium feel. In the center, the SX variant features a 10.25-inch full touchscreen display with navigation and a sound mood lock that adapts to your style. For the EX and LX, there's a 8-inch touchscreen with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Now, let's take a closer look to the front passenger seat, which is designed for both comfort and functionality in mind. For added convenience, the front passenger seats come up with cooling functionality, keeping you comfortable even on the hottest days in the Philippines. The passenger seat features manual adjustment options, allow occupants to find their ideal sitting position easy whenever you're commuting to city traffic or embarking on a road trip. The ergonomic design of the seat provides excellent lumbar. The spacious second row ensures all passengers are comfortable, with reclining rear seats and a 60-40 split folding feature for added versatility. The large panoramic sunroof on the XS variant adds an open and airy feel to the cabin, perfect for long drives or scenic adventures. Rear passengers also benefit from ample legroom dedicated air-conditioned vents, and USB ports for charging on the go. Packed with advanced features, a bold design, and excellent performance, the Kia Seltos is the ideal SUV for those who want style and substance in their everyday drive. Whenever you're cruising the city or exploring beyond, the Seltos has everything you need to drive confidently. Experience the Kia Seltos today at your nearest dealership. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive walkthroughs. Thank you so much.